fridge organization, how to clean and organize your refrigerator, and I'm going to show you that in this video, and let's start right now. So first thing, you want to take everything out of the refrigerator or out of the fridge. Also throw away anything that is bad. So that's what we are going to do. Start taking things out. And anything that is not good, just throw this right away into the garbage, because you don't want to leave anything that is not good back into the fridge again. Now we will start by removing the shelf. Before you remove it, just tilt it, and then it will be easy to come out. And then I'll start cleaning. Just with your sponge, and just add your soap, and just clean this down. And then I always clean the shelves first as it's air drying, then I clean the fridge. So by the time I'm done with the fridge, these are air dry, and then I just put them back in. Dry them, just put them up here, and they will dry it out. So now that we've cleaned all the shelves and all the containers, we are going to clean the actual fridge. I like to do it simple way where I clean one shelf, one container at a time, because it makes it easier that way. If you take everything out at time, if you take everything out, then you are so overwhelmed, and also you don't know what goes where. So I like to make it one at a time. So let's just we're going to use a simple water and vinegar, because of food safety. You don't want to use two detergents and things like that to make it smelly from other things, from detergents. So we are going to use water and vinegar. So for the water, I'm going to use warm water, and I'm going to mix this up a little bit so it's lukewarm. You need lukewarm. Also, I have a cleaning vinegar, so I am going to add just 1/4 cup of vinegar, and I'm going to add that to my water. I'm going to mix this water, make it a little bit lukewarm. I'm going to use a duster. So this is the where you can scrub things off, and this is the smooth one. And I'm just going to add just 1 drop, one drop of detergent, 1 drop there, because we don't want it too much. And I'm going to mix this. And as you can see, you don't see anything in here. So let's go and start cleaning right now. I'm just cleaning this quickly. Clean the tops. And just wipe it off quickly. There's not much in here, so but I'll just clean this as well. Now that we finished cleaning the shelves and inside of the fridge, we are going to put everything back in and then start loading. We still have the door to clean, but first I'll put what I've already cleaned inside, and then we'll do the door next. Alright, so if the shelf is not air dry, just wipe it off. Just wipe mine off. And then once that is done, we are going to put this back in. And then just slide it, angle like this, and then let it go up. And then slide it in there. And that's it. And that is done. And then you have the second one. If it's not dried, just wipe it. Wipe it off, and that's it. And then you can just put it in the same way. Just angle like this. Slide this in if you want a space here, or you can just let it out. Gives you another shell to put things on. have put our shelves, our containers back in the fridge, we are going to clean the refrigerator door and then all this. So we just take this out. If it is hard for you to take out this, you just slide it like that, and then it slides in. To take it out, just push it up. Once you push it up, it's easy for you to just slide it out. Use the vinegar water that you have and wipe this down as well. And wipe down the door as well. So we're just going to put these back. So you want to keep your refrigerator clean, your fridge clean all the time, and keep the scent out. So because of that, you just have a baking soda, open it, and then just put it behind inside the refrigerator, so it will absorb any smells or any funny smells that will come out of the refrigerator. So we're going to put that. So we just push this all the way to absorb any smell that we might have. And now we're just going to start putting all the good food that we want to be in this refrigerator. And just make sure you wipe down anything that will be leaking before you put it in. Put it back so you can keep your fridge clean all the time. And because of food safety, you want to keep your cold stuff at the top because that's where it gets colder. So that's what we're going to do. And that's going to be all your dairies can go on the top. All your milk. We put our eggs rack and our butter. And your food cook can go down here. Put your other stuff in here. And you can put your meat or your cheese in here. Meat and cheese, you can put them here. You can put your vegetables in here. You can put your butter in here. And you can put some of your condiments here. And you can put your juice here. And you can put your, if you drink, you can put your little beers here as well. And that's it. So friends, I just show you how to clean and organize your refrigerator. It's always good to keep it neat and clean once a week. Mostly check on your produce, your vegetables, your cheese, your milk to make sure that they are still in good condition, and if not, just throw them away. And also don't buy too much, because it's waste of money to be throwing food away, where some people somewhere like me, I experienced what a hunger is before, where we don't have food to eat. So I try to buy in a minimum what I can use a month, and then if I need more, then I'll buy. So don't buy too much food that you have to throw away, because that is waste of money. And also make sure that you put a baking soda in your refrigerator, because it keeps all the scent out from your refrigerator, so from your fridge. So keep a baking soda in there. Check on your produce, check on your fruit, check on your cheese, your milk, and make sure you clean after yourself. If you put something in your refrigerator and it's leaking, just wipe it off right away. That way you don't have any messy, any sticky things in your refrigerator. And as you can see, we clean it all up. It looks neat. So clean after yourself every time you make a mess in your refrigerator, and it will be clean all the time for you. If you want to know how to clean a dish rack inside and out, watch the next video and I'll see you on there. Take care. Bye.